Hello there and welcome. In this video, I want to review the results I got from running a solo ad to this Power Lead System landing page. As a gold member of the Power Lead System, you get access to this landing page here. You can use as a lead magnet. You can offer the Power Lead System free level for free, right? So as you can see, the website I used to promote, I needed people to put in their name, email, and phone number, right? So what I did was I went to Udimi and I used Stefan yesterday, right? And you can see here, Stefan, I paid for 50 clicks. I paid Stefan for 50 clicks to drive traffic to my website. And he over-delivered by 10%. So he delivered 55 clicks. And I just, you can see that was yesterday. This is today, but this was yesterday when we did this. So I'm going to go into my Power Lead System. I'm going to go to websites. I'm going to go to ad tracking, right? Just to confirm that I got my 55 clicks and to see how many opt-ins I got from that. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the pages I have in the Power Lead System, right? And we're looking for one that says Udimi. We're looking for this one. So I created this page specifically for the solo ad I sent through Stefan. And you can see here I have 55 hits. The reason I have 59 hits here, sorry, and he has 55 is because the 4 hits was myself, right? I was testing the landing page, make sure it works. I actually opted into the landing page myself to make sure that everything works as according to plan. So from his 55 hits, I actually got 10 people who completed survey. That means they opted into the form, right? Those 10 people gave me their name, email, and phone number, right? And out of those 10, so that shows it's about 18% opt-in rate, conversion rate. Out of those 10, I'm delighted to say that I got 2 sales. And those 2 sales, one of them was from the first hour, right? And the other one was towards the last hour, and they were all delivered within 24 hours, so delivered on the same day. So I'm absolutely delighted with the results from Stefan. It's up to me now that I have the email address, I have the phone number. It's up to me to follow up with the 8 that didn't make a decision to buy, right? And it's up to me to build a relationship with them and promote the offer to them, and I can promote other offers to them as well. So I'm delighted. I'm going to leave a review for him. I'm going to use this video as a review, and I'm going to leave a positive review for Stefan as well and wish him all the best. Now, if you're watching this on social media and you're looking to generate leads for your business, click the link in around this video depending on where you're watching it, right? On YouTube, it's going to be down. I'm going to put a link to this Udemy platform. And if you're on LinkedIn, it's going to be up here, right? And same as Twitter as well. Those are the main places I use to generate free leads. And if you would like access to this list building website, because success leaves clues, right? If you use my website, right, and you use my traffic source, you're most likely to get the same results that I got. And once you have these people's names, email, and phone numbers, then you can then follow up with them and actually promote your offer. And the Power Lead System actually promotes your offer in the back end as well. So thank you very much, Stefan, for delivering within 24 hours and for the 2 sales. And thank you very much to you for watching this video. Remember, click the link in the description or above to access the traffic source, the link, so you can actually do the same, purchase traffic, and you can access this free list building website as well. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a great day.